Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Deleting your account here in BigCommerce is a simple process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the account settings right here. What will happen is, all I'm gonna do is click the account overview. It would forward you to the section wherein you see canceling your account will require you to cancel your store. Now, as you can see, I don't have a paid store right now because if you have the paid store, you would be able to see the store plan here. All right. And all I'm going to do is cancel the store or cancel the click the cancel store plan right here. And that's that. Now, another option that you can do is if you don't have that and you're having problems canceling your account or deleting your account here in BigCommerce, you might want to hover to the BigCommerce customer support. Just click these options right here. All right. And one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem if you can't cancel your account here in BigCommerce. All right. Normally, you would need an intervention from the support staff if that's going to be the case. As you can see, I also use the BigCommerce chatbot to see if you get an answer, right? You see that? If you click on the canceling your account, we would be forwarded here. There's going to be numbers where you can call right here. You see these. If you are part of US and Canada, just click on these numbers for United Kingdom, Singapore, and a lot more for Southeast Asia and this one right here. Okay. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.